So I did a lot of things in different tools, and Bolt is, for my opinion, one of the most user-friendly tools we see in carbon accounting. So we recently started with Bolt for the ESG department we have in Moer Logistics. We started off with carbon accounting to do carbon reporting for different stakeholders.
The main reason we chose for Board was the flexibility and the ability to build from a blank canvas and build up whichever application we needed actually. So we do all our management reporting, balance sheet reporting, cash flow reporting, budgeting, and we are looking for implementing the GCR as well. So the main advantages of Board is the ability to link multiple data sources to the platform, which created a standardized way of reporting.
Yeah, in Bolt we are able to decentralize our inputs, so every user of a board can input carbon data in order to have a custom reporting. We can also create different custom dashboards in order to report within the company or to external stakeholders. We can also have a 4I principle within Bolt in order to have some validation on the input data, which is quite great.
Mostly our CFO is a big fan of waterfall charts, so the standardized waterfall charts in Board are very helpful because in Excel you need to rearrange everything and it's not that simple to use. Everything is possible, that's why we chose for Board, the flexibility mostly.